Hey everyone, it's me, Dr. Whimsy, and this is per a request. I was asked by a fellow broke aristocrat if I would talk a little bit about some simple things that I recommend people keep in their home that is not particularly expensive and it can help with minor problems. These are teas that you can get over the counter. You can go to any health food store and just pick up a tea. They usually run under $5, and I think that they are fairly helpful. And the first one I want to talk about is the tea, which is chamomile and lavender. Chamomile and lavender. Now these are two herbs that have been researched because they are what we call nervines. They ease anxiety and they ease the nerves. There's really quite a bit of research actually on chamomile. It can be taken as an extract, but it's great as a tea, particularly if you are the nervous type of individual and you feel stressed out. I would also say to that person, maybe try avoiding caffeine, do a little meditation. But it's probably not going to be contraindicated with any of the medications your doctor may have prescribed. And if you're concerned about that, you can certainly talk to your doctor. But I like chamomile and lavender because it is a nervine. You can make up a couple cups of chamomile nervine and drink it throughout the day. Particularly helpful about an hour prior to bed if you do have insomnia. Lavender is also a nervine. It has a nice flavor when added to chamomile. And it's also been researched as an aromatherapy herb. When you smell lavender, there's been some studies, it actually quiets the mind and calms the mind. And again, if you are on any kind of medication like an antidepressant by your doctor, sipping chamomile lavender tea is going to make you feel better and is probably not going to be contraindicated with any of those medications. Of course, again, talk to your doctor if you're concerned about any contraindications with any program you're currently on. The second herb that I like that I recommend people keep in their home is ginger tea, or you can get it fresh. Simply go to a grocery store and grab a small thing of ginger. Probably won't cost you more than a couple of bucks. You can chop it fine and boil it, have it with a little honey and lemon if you like. Ginger is one of those plants which contains a lot of interesting active constituents that do a number of things. For starters, it contains salicylates, and salicylates are a type of chemical constituent that has been used for chronic pain and also acute pain. It's a class of medication, the salicylates, that we call COX-2. COX-2 inhibitors. They're anti-inflammatory. It's also a COX-1, so it's a mild blood thinner. So for that reason, if you are on blood thinning medication, we never want you to take capsules of ginger or any of the herbs that are blood thinners. Particularly with the Coumadin, you want to be careful. However, over the counter, making a cup of ginger tea can be very helpful. If you have some minor aches and pains or a slight headache, ginger can be quite helpful, especially if the headache is accompanied by nausea. And that's because the most of the studies that have been done on ginger have been done on ginger's effects on treating nausea. Ginger tea is usually safe in pregnancy. Again, talk to your doctor if you are pregnant to make sure it's okay to take it. But sipping ginger tea can be helpful for nausea in addition to helping with basic aches and pains. All right, the third tea I'm going to recommend is peppermint, and that is a great herb for helping with acid reflux and digestive upset. So after you have a meal that might be causing a little bit of acid reflux or a little bit of a digestive upset, you may want to make yourself a strong cup of peppermint tea. Again, like I've said before, talk to your doctor and make sure it's not contraindicated with any medications you're taking, but most doctors feel that it's pretty benign to have yourself a good strong cup of peppermint tea after dinner just to help with any acid reflux. And the last herb I'm going to recommend today is fennel tea. Fennel tea, great tea. I love the flavor. Fennel can also be cooked into beans if you're cooking beans to help with gas and bloating caused by consuming the legumes. But as a tea, it's also given to children, not just adults. In children, it can help with colic if you're nursing to make a fennel tea. But you can make yourself a cup of fennel tea if you experience gas, bloating, and upset stomach after eating certain foods. So there you have it, a couple simple herbal teas that you can just keep in your home. Take out a box if you have any symptoms like acid reflux, gas and bloating, slight headache or nausea, any kind of mild anxiety or stress. These teas can be usually taken safely and effectively, and they're quite enjoyable to drink. All right, I want to thank you for watching this quick video from Broke Aristocrats. My name is Dr. Whimsy Anderson. I am the medical minimalist here in the frugal community. If you have any questions or concerns and you'd like to find out more about my work, you can go to drwhimsy.com, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Broke Aristocrats. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.